Hello devs, I'm the Dev Saucer, mobile developer with over 10 years of experience in the field, and over the years I have the privilege of publishing more than 25 mobile apps on app stores, helping business and individuals bring their ideas to life. My expertise lies in native mobile development, using Java and Kotlin for Android, Swift for iOS, and recently I've been diving into Kotlin Multiplatform to explore new possibilities in cross-platform development. I'm creating this channel with two main goals. In first place, I want to help you become a better developer by sharing everything I've learned about mobile development, building a career in tech, and navigating the challenge of working in IT. Whether you are a beginner or experienced programmer, I hope you'll find value in the tips, tutorials, and discussions we'll have here. And two, I'm challenging myself to write, speak, and create content in English as a way to grow. It's not my native language, but I believe learning by doing is the best approach, and this channel is part of that journey. I aim to upload at least one video every week, so there's always something new for you to learn and explore. This channel is for developers of all levels, either you are just starting out or you already experience it. I hope to bring you value and inspire you to keep growing. I'd love for this to be a two-way conversation. Let me know in the comments what features or topics you'd like me to cover, be it building a specific functionalities, career advice, or anything else related to development. Your feedback will help me to create the kind of content that's truly helpful for you and the community. If you find this content helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any updates. Thank you for being here and joining me on this journey. I can't wait to connect with you, share ideas, and grow together as developers. See you on the next video.